Good morning, everyone. Today, we will learn how to graph quadratics in standard form. As you see here, we have a function y equals 4x squared plus 8x plus 7. This is a standard form. We start by the variable that has the greater or the larger exponent, power 2, then power 1, then the constant. How can we graph this function? Okay, first, try to find the vertex. Okay, how can we find the vertex for the parabola? You know that graphing quadratics will be a parabola, maybe open up or open down. If the coefficient of x squared, as you see here, 4 is positive, this parabola will be open up. If it's negative, it will be open down. Okay. Uh, The vertex will be the coordinates of x and y. Let's find x coordinate first. We can call it like x vertex. Okay, x vertex. To find it, you have to learn this. X equals negative b over 2a. What is a and b? I think we learned that before. The coefficient of x squared is a. That means a equals 4. The coefficient of x, b. That means b equals 8. Let's use these variables to find the x-coordinate of the vertex. Negative b, b is 8, negative b equals negative 8 over 2a means 2 times a. 2 times the value of a, which is 4. 2 times 4. Okay. 2 times 4. That means we have negative 8 over 8. 2 times 4, 8. What is uh, the quotient? Negative 8 divided by 8 equal what? Yes, equal negative 1. This is the x-coordinate of the vertex. When we plug in for x equal negative 1 in your function, you will find the y vertex. Okay, so y vertex equal, plug in for x equal negative 1. 4x squared will be 4 times negative 1 square plus 8 times x means 8 times negative 1 plus 7. Find the value. 4 times negative 1 square. Negative 1 square means negative 1 times negative 1 is positive. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 8 times negative 1 equals what? Yes, negative 8 plus 7. 4 and 7. The positive numbers. 4 and 7 equal 11. 11 plus negative 8 or 11 minus 8 equals 3. Good. This is the vertex. X coordinate is negative 1. The y coordinate is 3. That means the vertex is negative 1 comma 3. Remember that. Negative 1 comma 3. Because I will erase all this and I will just write the vertex. Negative 1 comma 3. Remember this one. We will use it again. The x vertex to find the coordinate of the x of the vertex equals negative b over 2a, b and a from the equation. Okay, let's clean all this. Remember the vertex is negative 1 and 3. The vertex equals negative 1 comma 3. Okay, let's plot this here on this graph. Negative 1 comma 3 here. Okay, this is the vertex of the parabola. And remember, it's open up. That means it will not touch the x-axis. Okay. We need another points to graph this parabola. How can we find another point? Okay. Remember, we did this table before, the x value and the y value. Y value here means the function or the value of the function. We have 1 point, negative 1 comma 3. I put it in the middle because I need 1 point less than negative 1 and value for x is greater than negative 1. Less than negative 1, you can take negative 2, and greater than negative 1 is 0. Let's use these two values for x and find the values of y by using this function. Y equals 4x squared plus 8x. X equals negative 2. Plug in for x equal negative 2. Y equal 4 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times x. X is negative 2 plus 7. Let's find the value. Y equals what? When x is negative 2, y equal 4 times negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 4, 16 plus 8 times negative 2 is negative 16 plus 7. If you look here, you have positive 16 and negative 16 will give you 0. Then you have the value of y is 7. Find the value of y when x equals 0. Remember, before doing this, it should be 7, okay? Because negative 2 and 0 are equidistant from the axis of symmetry. This is the x. The axis of symmetry will pass through the vertex, will pass through this point. That means the point before and the point after will be equidistant, means we'll have the same value, okay, of the function. When x equals 0, let's erase this to have some space. I will erase this. And now I plug in for x equals 0 in this function. Y equals, okay, 4 x squared, which is 0 squared, plus 8 times x, which is 8 times 0, plus 7. 4 times 0 will be 0. 8 times 0 will give you 0. Then you have only 7. Okay, that's what I was talking about this. Okay, you should get the same uh, value for the function. If you have, you know that I will not find the answer, but you can do this at home by yourself. If you take another point less than negative 2, like negative 3, and a point is greater than 0, which is 1, the value here would be the same as this one, because this is the axis of symmetry. So 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, all will be the same. Let's graph these points. Negative 2 comma 7, negative 2 goes to 7, and 0 goes to 7. Okay, this will be the function look like this. Okay, it's a parabola open up. I will start the second one and I will let you complete it. Find the vertex, x vertex. How can we get the x coordinate of the vertex? Yes, negative b over 2a. What is b and a from this function? A equals 2, b equals negative 8. Use it. Negative b, negative, negative 8. 2a means 2 times 2. Negative, negative give you positive 8. 2 times 2, 4. That means the x coordinate is 2. Y coordinate or the y vertex equals. Log in for x equal to in this function. 2 times 2 square minus 8 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 square, 2 square is 4, 2 times 4 equals what? Yes, it's 8 minus 8 times 2, 16 plus 3. 8 minus 16, negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5 equals, sorry, negative 8 plus 3 equals negative 5. Okay, so the vertex here will be 2, comma, negative 5. I want to review it like fast. 2 times 2 square minus 8 times 2 plus 3. So plug in for x equal to 2 times 4, 8 minus 16 plus 3, negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. That's correct. This is the vertex. 2 and negative 5. You will put it in the table and find point up and point down, x and y values. We said it's 2 comma negative 5. Choose a point before 2, like smaller than 2, 1, and 1 greater than 2, 3. You plug in for x equal 1, plug in for x equals 3 in this function. You will get that this is negative 3. This will be the same. Plot these 3 points here and graph it. Like first 2 goes to negative 5. 2 goes to negative 5. Sorry, again. 1 goes to negative 3. And 3 goes to negative 3. And then you can graph. You can find, I'm sorry, you can also find the zeros of the function, okay, to find the x-intercept if you want to graph it like perfectly. Okay, I hope you solved the assignment on Khan Academy. If you need any help, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.